So, hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about our first defense security section, and this section is SOC Alert 335 CVE number. I don't want to read exact number. As you can see, there is a number. So let's investigate about this alert. Event ID 313. It was on January 2022 25. It's all against. Host name is Victor, IP address, process name, and as we can see what's happened here. So we know Windows processes, and this is SV host, and this host originally is not where it should be. Like, it's located in a temp, and which is really suspicious. Like, it seems to be one of the C2 operations, because temp file is originally designed for temp files, not SV host. SV host is another tool, is another process, is a system process. It shouldn't be on the temp folder, it should be on system32. And as we can see, there's parent process run as system32, Windows PowerShell is common. Now, process user is EC2. I don't want to read exactly, as you can see here in detection, and use also specific behavior link to hash. So in these situations, first of all, try to search files by its hash, or something by its hash. So when we are searching by hash, we just adding here, and as you can see, over 15 antiviruses says that is a Trojan. From this perspective, we can see that it's a true positive and taking ownership of attack. And now let's view. So event manager, event is 32 Victor, and I have now creating a case. Playbook time, everything, and exploitation detected. This is the unexpected launch of the application on configured automatically system boot. So this category now. So is it granted? Not granted. I cannot say that. Yes, it's malicious. It's access it. And ADR security. So as we can see, it can be detected by ADR using its hash. So now next, I don't need anything from this. And confirming our playbook. Let's confirm now. Now closing alert, true positive, closing everything. And this is how it works. So those who not understand anything, I will explain on the using a simple whiteboard. First of all, CVC host is a system host and system process. It's running in the background in the Windows. It's usually located on the system32 folder because system32 is legitimate, and to modify system32 you need high privileges such as NT system. So I will write here NT system. As a simple user or guest user cannot edit it. You should run terminal or something else as administrator to edit the system32 system and any other folders. So malicious attackers cannot edit if they are operating as a low privileges, and our alert was privilege escalation. It wasn't simply something else. The secondary is hash. Each file has its hash, like its fingerprint, and by hash you can search anything, and to view hash actually is easy. On the Linux operating system we do md5 sum, then simple file name like cvchost.exe, and it will show us its hash, and using hash we can search it in multiple databases and everything. So thanks for watching.